Each subfolder in the cut list has its own properties. To access these properties, right-click on a subfolder and select Properties. In the case of structural members, you can see that several properties are automatically included, such as length, description, and cut angles. In this weldment, the end caps are grouped together in their own cut list item. I'll add a field called Description. It will be a text field. I'll type in my end cap description and click OK. Now when I return to the drawing, you can see the cut list now shows the newly added description for the end caps. As with other tables, you can make changes such as adding columns, and you can save the table as a template for use in future drawings. The title of the column will be Cost. Before I can use a cut list item property called Cost to automatically fill in the column, at least one of the cut list items must already have the property added. I'll return to the weldment part and edit the properties of one cut list item. I'll add a property called Cost and enter a value. Now I can return to the cut list in the drawing, edit the properties of my newly added column, and specify the cut list item property of Cost to fill in the values. Once this setup is complete, I can right-click the cut list table and select Save as Template if I want to make it accessible for later use. There is one more thing I'll mention about cut lists. Although initially you must manually update the cut list in order for it to appear in a drawing, you only have to do this once. Once a cut list is added to a drawing, every time the drawing is opened, the cut list will automatically update. This is convenient, because if you decide to make changes to your weldment design, such as adding structural members, the next time you open the drawing of the weldment, the cut list will already reflect those changes.